Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you avoid chases later. Sign in to Turbo VPN and verify your account is active. Next, check your network. Run a quick ping to 8 to confirm connectivity and acceptable latency. Make sure to quit any other VPN, proxy, or third-party firewall that might conflict. Once done, restart the Turbo VPN app so it loads fresh settings. This clears transient errors and primes the client for the next configuration steps. You now perform the core configuration steps that usually fix handshake failures. Open Turbo VPN settings and change the protocol. Try UDP first, then TCP if UDP fails, because some networks block UDP. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall to reset corrupted configs. Also set system DNS to 1 or 8, and disable IP6 in your OS because mismatched IP stacks can break routing. Make sure to reboot the device after changes to apply them cleanly. You finish by verifying successful connections and preparing fallback steps. Try several Turbo VPN servers and record any error codes or messages you see because patterns point to root causes. If connection still fails, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to confirm interference, then re-enable them after testing. If that doesn't help, export or copy client logs and contact Turbo VPN support with your findings. One key troubleshooting tip: test on a different network, mobile hotspot, to determine if the ISP is blocking the VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.